So it's 2022 and a lot of people are looking for wallets that are compact, high quality, and functional. They don't want those huge bifold wallets that you fill with cards, cash, and coins that you will most likely never use. In come the company EKSTER. Now I have a full lineup of the wallets that they offer, and I'm going to walk you through each and every one of them and which one would be best for you. Now these wallets have a bevy of features that make them modern, unique, and classy, and at the same time, they do not break the bank. So the first wallet I'm going to start off with is the regular EKSTER Parliament wallet. Now this one, as you can see, is in this brown color, which is very nice. It is genuine leather, and you can imagine how good it's going to look after a bit of use when that patina begins to kick in. Now it's very simple, but you can tell that a lot of quality and attention went into the details as the stitching is very clean. Opening the wallet up, you can see some compartments for your card. You can fit about 2 cards in each compartment, but I would not recommend going more than that. Next up, you have an elastic band which you can use to store your cash. The amount of money you're able to take with you depends on your paper folding skills, but I think you should be able to take a decent amount with this wallet. Now, what makes this wallet really interesting is there are still some more compartments here. At the back, there's one more slot for additional cards or another special accessory that I will be talking about later in the video. And at the bottom, there is a lever which, when pressed, pushes out all the cards inside of the wallet. It arranges them according to order, making them a lot easier for you to take out and use whichever card you need. The mechanism is very fast and it's very high quality. It doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon, and it seems to be very reliable. Now you can fit about 5 embossed cards like credit cards or ATM cards in this compartment. I would not advise you to go more than that as they might get stuck there, but if you have other cards like business cards or just regular paper cards, you can go up to 6 or 7 in this slot. And the great thing is the fundamental design and mechanism of all these wallets are pretty much exactly the same. Taking a look at this next Parliament wallet, you can tell that it's a different color. Of course, this is black, my favorite color, and it is pretty much the exact same wallet as the previous one. It has the slots for the cards, it has the elastic band for your cash, it has the push mechanism for your cards as well, but also there is something new because at the back here you can see that there is a special compartment or a special holder for an AirTag. So if you're in the Apple ecosystem, you never have to worry about losing your wallet, as once you pop in an AirTag, you can track the location of your wallet at all times. But if you're not an iPhone user or you don't have AirTags, don't worry. There is something else you can use to track your wallet that I will talk about in a little bit. So keep watching, and if you're enjoying the video this far, then a sub to the channel would be amazing. The next wallet I'm going to be taking a look at here is the EKSTER card holder. As you can tell, it is very simple. You have the push mechanism, which will release all of your cards as usual. This time you have a rubber or a silicone band for your cash, so you know that it's going to be very securely strapped to your card holder. At the back, there is an extra compartment for one more card, which you can push out from the bottom and have access to. Personally, this is my favorite wallet, especially because of the pattern and the color. It has a carbon fiber finish, which looks very, very cool. And of course, it is black. I don't need to say any more. You already know how I feel about black. Next up, we also have another EKSTER card holder with a slightly less flashy aluminum finish. It has the exact same features as the wallet that I just showed you before, but when you turn it around, you can see that on this model, there is a slot for an AirTag. So you can also pop in an AirTag with your card holder and never have to worry about losing your wallet or your cards ever again. And now onto the special tracking device I mentioned earlier. This is the EKSTER Tracker card, and as you can tell, it is very thin. It is barely thicker than a credit card. You can put this in any of the wallets that I showed you previously, and you will be able to find the location at any point in time. All you have to do is download the Chipolo app, create an account with your email, and then connect your tracker card to your account. This card has a lot of features, as there is a button on the front, and if you press that button once, you can use it as a remote shutter when you are taking photos. Or if you press the button twice, you can use it to find your phone in case your device is missing. And then I just, double pressed it and it stopped ringing the phone. It's really cool. And you might be wondering, for a device this tiny, the battery must really suck, or how do you even charge it because there are no ports? Well, that's the great thing. This is how you charge it. On the front, there are some solar panels, and it's written on their website that just 2 hours of charging in the sun can give you up to 3 months of battery life, which is pretty amazing. Personally, I will probably never be going back to a regular bifold wallet. I just love this card holder way too much. It makes my life a lot easier, and it's barely noticeable in my side or even rear pockets. And I've got some great news for you, because if you're interested in checking out any of these wallets, then EKSTER is currently having a 20% off site-wide fall sale on their website. And if you use my code TechPhD, you're going to get an even bigger discount. So you can check out any of the wallets that you like using the link in the comment section or in the description. And I will see you in this video.
Oh, yeah. Say we drunk in the spirit, no, we don't stay sober. We don't stay sober. Hey, fly as a jet, but with no layovers. With no layovers. Ah, yeah. Hey, look, we finna break.